Hey, Ryan here with Black Rabbit. We're going to unbox and set up a Mahlkonig E65S Grind-by-Weight. Let's cut the box open. Remove the manual, remove the tray and load cell cover, and the spout. Now we'll remove the foam, and remove the hopper that's in its own box. And now we're going to remove the grinder. Do not pick up from the fork. We're going to put the hand underneath the base, tilt forward, and lift straight up. Now that we've got our grinder unboxed, let's take a scan of the QR code to complete setup. Okay, let's cover up that load cell, grinds tray, spout goes in at an angle till it clicks, and let's remove the hopper from its box. Boop, boop, boop. Goes straight on and then turns till it clicks. Before powering on the grinder, let's adjust the fork. You'll need a flathead screwdriver for this. First, I'm going to set my portafilter in here. This is too loose to my liking, so we're going to loosen the screws on each side of the fork. And I'm going to set the portafilter in here. Gently raise up the fork till it's not super tight, but just fitting. And then I'm going to tighten one side. That feels pretty good. Now I'm going to tighten the other side. Should hold the portafilter. Voila. For our final step, we're going to power the grinder on and add some beans to the hopper. Open up the hopper. Unlock the grind dial. Now we're ready to begin dialing in. Just be sure to let go of the portafilter while it's grinding. So cool. Do not tap the fork to settle your grounds. Power on the grinder. Who put that in there?